Hi friends! Today I'm sharing with you another recipe inspired by Bulgarian cuisine or phyllo dough potato pie. And before we go further, if you are interested in such videos, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and let's get started. First, we're gonna start with the potatoes. You need to boil about 4 to 5 potatoes, and I'm gonna use my pressure cooker, but don't worry if you don't have one, just use a cooking pan and water. And here are the potatoes 20 minutes later. Amazing, they are ready to be mashed, so let's go ahead and mash them. And now that the potatoes are ready, let's start with the stuffing. The stuffing is really easy to make. You need to crack 3 eggs and then go ahead and stir. Then add about 3 tablespoons of yogurt and start mixing, and you are looking for very smooth consistency here. Now that the yogurt and eggs are very well mixed, go ahead and add the feta cheese. You need about 100 grams of feta cheese, or that's about 3.5 ounces. And then mix them well, add some baking powder, and again mix so that all ingredients can incorporate. And of course here you're not gonna get the smooth consistency because of the feta cheese. Now let's go ahead and prep our cooking pan. You need to apply olive oil all over it, and I find using a basting brush very helpful. However, if you don't have one, you can just use your hands. Make sure that your phyllo dough is room temperature, and then go ahead and separate 4 layers. If your phyllo dough is not as delicate, you can probably use just 2. And then go ahead, place it over the pan just like I'm showing, and then grab another 4 layers of dough and place it to the other side. So basically what we're trying to do here is create a pocket. I'm going to add a little bit of butter, about 1 teaspoon. However, if you don't want to do that, you can totally miss this step, but it's way better tasting, trust me. And then add the potatoes on top and add the stuffing. Mix them up very gently. Be careful because phyllo dough is very delicate and it can easily break. Then go ahead, add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a little bit of salt. Go easy on the salt because feta cheese is already salty, and then add a little bit of paprika. Again, mix it all up very gently, and here I'm adding a little bit of butter again. You can totally skip this step if you don't want to, but trust me, it's way better tasting. Place another 4 layers of phyllo dough on top, and what you want to do is push the layers one under another. Basically what you're trying to do here is close the pocket that you just created. Smear with some olive oil. And then mix up 1 egg yolk and apply it on top of the pie. Use a basting brush to spread the egg yolk evenly. However, if you don't have one, then you can just use your hands. And then preheat your oven at 350 and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes. Now look at that result. It looks just so good, and I assure you it tastes amazing. Now you need to let it cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then go ahead, cut it up and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on the bell so that you get notifications every Friday when I upload a new video recipe inspired by Bulgarian cuisine. And I'll talk to you next Friday. Bye!